Hello universe, I'm coming to you live from my new place of living, which honestly this is probably the will be the last vlog that you see in this apartment for a while now, because in approximately 4 business days, not even 4 business days, just 4 days, I'm gonna be getting on a plane because I'm going to Tokyo, and I'm excited, and I am recording on this new camera I got right now. I honestly spent the entire day today trying to test out this new camera I got because there's just so many different settings on it, and it's an action camera, but I'm gonna use it as a vlog camera because I think it looks great. Like, it can film in 4K, but I'm not gonna film in 4K because it takes up way too much space. Also, I got this vegan fudge pop from Trader Joe's. Amazing. I accidentally got the vegan one on accident. I was trying to get a root beer float pop. Literally the boxes look the same and I accidentally picked up a fudge pop. Anyways, today I spent the entire day trying to test out this new camera I got. Basically, I'm just gonna stop this talking segment really quickly because I want to finish my ice popsicle. So I'm just gonna put my clips in of me testing my camera for the vlog. Yeah.
How's it going, everybody? Just make sure I look good. This is actually really good quality.
Yeah, it shoots in 4K. I only have it in 1080p right now.
Have in 1080p?
Yeah.
Am I like?
Yeah. I can slow-mo it too. Alright, we're in ultra wide.
You
You can see everyone.
I'm going.
Oh. Wow, I can see your whole car.
Wow, this is Chantel.
I can see both of you guys. Dang, that camera is
Ultra
That's amazing. Anyone want to run with my stick so I can test the stabilization of this?
Wait, so you want me to just hold it up?
Run. Yeah, just hold your face and run.
But I can't stop myself. I did legs yesterday. Whee!
Alright, we're testing going down the stairs now. It's the beginning of our hike. What are you expecting?
I'm expecting a lot of bugs. I'm expecting maybe one bear.
One bear?
Yeah, it's bear counting.
Ew.
I do have this though, but I will not use it against a bear because it would only piss it off.
What do you do when the bear comes?
These. Bare hand.
What I do is I get under it and I lift it with my legs.
David! David, you be the bear! Tristan, show us what to do. Say there's a bear coming.
If I remember from Boy Scout that I was for one day, if a bear charges you, accept it.
We're testing out the wide angle. How does it look?
Oh, it looks amazing. You can see a lot of the...
You can see everything around me?
Yeah, you see everything around you. Wow, that's good lighting right there.
I can get really
close. Sign language. Welcome.
Alright.
And then...
What else you got?
Find... This is me hearing. This is, are you deaf? What else do I have? Baby.
Ooh.
Tree. Oh, that's a good one. Trees around here.
Yeah?
House. Ball. Glass, a big glass, and then champagne, which is like the tiny one.
Where did you learn all this?
Taking a course.
I know, but like where?
On an app called Lingvongo. Oh, Lingvano. That's what it's called.
Oh, wow.
Lingvano. Great. Log. This actually used to be a resort. And then they took it out. If we walk a little bit further, you'll see where they had like a little bit of campfire.
Really? Why did they take it out?
I don't know. That's where my
history
history
there a murder?
ends.
Because of the murder in the
Because of the murder
Because of murder in the woods.
It was a cabin.
Make up a story. If you had to guess what happened, where did the resort go?
I believe capitalism took over and the government came in and swiped everybody out.
Whoa. All right. We're crossing the path. There's got to be a better way to do this. Oh. Yes!
Yes! But, boom! Boom!
I should have did the wide angle on that one.
You should have.
My abs.
It's your sister.
I was like, ooh, tighten.
Parkour.
Oh. All right, we're currently filming in a wide angle. No, we're not. We're in a normal angle. We're in the D-warp angle. I'm just gonna record all this so I can look back at it later and decide how I want to record my vlogs. 3 miles later, Tristan has us going in the treacherous mountains.
Treacherous of treacherous mountains.
The treacherous of treacherous mountains to see a view. This is all we've got. Is a small slither built for one man. Wow. Wow. It is so beautiful.
This is so beautiful.
It is so beautiful.
Beautiful.
Show us a view, Tristan. Whoa.
Hello!
Whoa, you're here and there. Hello! Wow.
That's crazy. That's epic.
Thanks for forcing me on a hike, Tristan.
Yeah, you're welcome. This is great.
This is so cool.
The One Piece is real!
I love this little baby camera.
It's fantastic.
This is the best purchase I've ever made. We did a nice long hike for what?
Yeah. Coyote.
For burritos. Tristan, tell them a fun fact about this place.
Sharon Tate. This is the last place she ate before she was killed.
By who?
Charles Manson?
Yes.
Charles Manson also used to listen to my grandfather on the radio.
Really?
He was one of his biggest fans.
Your grandfather? What'd your grandfather do?
He was a radio show host.
Wow, who's your
Yeah.
grandfather?
Thomas Dale Hall.
All right, let's
Yes.
everyone Google Thomas Dale Hall.
Yeah.
Wow, 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 wow.
He was incarnated, Charles Manson. He would ask for a radio so he could listen to my grandfather.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, how do you feel?
Crazy. It's wild.
Do nothing. Oh man. For real, for real. Look at this.
Oh, look at that. That's the last spot Sharon Tate's at.
This is where Sharon Tate's at before she died.
She died.
Oh, the murder mystery.
Oh, that one's shrimp. Yeah, that one's fine. Oh, that was over here.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's the room.
Buses here. What's this one? Shrimp?
Chewing.
Oh, yeah. Is it hot?
Hella hot.
Is it hot? I was meant to be
La cocina, nota, chicken.
It's a beauty, eh?
It's a beauty.
Honestly, guys, I'm so excited to go on this trip. I have nothing planned. Honestly, I don't know where I'm gonna live. I have nowhere to stay. I've got no plan. I'm supposed to go to Japan and then somewhere else 5 days later, but I feel like I'm gonna want to spend more time in Japan, so I don't really know if I'm gonna get on that flight, so I can't really tell you too much of my plans at this current state in my life. I'm gonna try to post as much as possible. I'm on a mission. I'm trying to get 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. It's gonna be a stretch, honestly. I don't even know if we're gonna get there, but I'm trying to manifest that. Yeah. Alright, universe, in approximately 24 hours, I will be on a plane going to Tokyo. Have I packed anything? Absolutely not. Am I ready? Absolutely not. Am I getting ready? Absolutely not. But what am I doing? I'm going to Target and I'm going to the beach because that's where we're at right now. Kendall, say hello. Guys, this is my travel buddy. She doesn't like to be in the camera, so she's gonna be my cameraman 90% of the time. But right now we're at Target because we're trying to find some sunscreen. She said I can get some over-the-shoulder shots of her, just not her face. Did you ever watch The Proud Family?
No, it's an American show.
That's an American show. Oh, also she's from England, so if my British accent comes out here and there, it's gonna be because I'm spending time with a British person every single day for the next month. On The Proud Family, there was this character called Wizard Kelly, and they only showed his face like this the entire season. Like no one ever knew what he looked like.
Call me
So-
Wizard Kendall.
Wizard Kendall. Trying to see what goodies we can get. I got some sunscreen. I don't know what else we're gonna get. I want to try to get some hair products because I have a feeling that Japan's not gonna have any hair products we need. I should get my hair braided like you, but
You got my hat.
yeah, I get the hair. Should I make it go in slow motion? Do a flip so I can make it slow. Oh god. Travel goods. Show it off. What you got? Glow.
Do the Vaseline stick. I feel like the fans want to see the Vaseline stick.
She literally came to the US for this Vaseline stick. She's been talking about this nonstop since yesterday.
My whole body in that.
She's gonna just be rolling Vaseline stick all day. Alright, we went to Target. Check! Alright, stop number 2 on our Tokyo preparedness adventure trip that we're on right now. Oh no, where's my keys? Oh. There's Kendall going into Ulta. Back of her head. I'll get some hair products. That's what I got. This is my favorite shampoo ever. This tea tree oil one. It burns your head in the best way possible. Oh my god, it feels so good. If you like your scalp to burn, get this right here. I'm gonna get one of these just for funsies. the way you turn your head. Do you have like a travel size section? Or just like
It's
the
all
random?
next to-
Okay, thank you. Ulta, check! Ow! Can't see nothing right now, and it's super windy. Guess we're gonna test the wind noise reduction on this camera right now. That's what's going on.
All right, universe, officially 10 p.m. the night before, which means I officially cannot procrastinate any longer, which means I have to pack this bag. I don't know, I've literally been all over the world today. I just came home, took a shower, washed my whole body, legs feeling smooth, body feeling nice, yeah, period. Honestly, I have no clue what I'm gonna pack. I think mostly I'm gonna take athletic clothes and try to take as little as possible. I also bought a waterproof backpack. Let me show you the waterproof backpack I got. I've come across this waterproof backpack off of Amazon. I bought this because I figured apparently it is supposed to be rainy season in Asia right now, so I'm gonna take this with me. I just put it in this little like nook right here, then it makes every single thing that I throw in here waterproof. Let me get you my list of essentials of everything that I for sure need. Everything else will be up in there. Contact lenses and glasses, or else I'll be blind and won't be able to see anything. Then I'll need international driver's license so I can skirt Mario go-kart. Also, I'm gonna need all my cameras, mics, everything so I can take some videos. Imagine I go and I forget my camera. That'd be such a L. I'm gonna be honest, I can't multitask. I could try to, but things are gonna go south really quickly. So I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna pack for this trip. Don't forget, guys, to like this video, subscribe to my channel, because the more you guys like my videos and the more you guys subscribe, the more traveling adventures I can go on, which means the more of the world we're gonna see, which means the more life we're gonna live and the more memories we're gonna make. Boom.